In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add, remove, and disable browser extensions and add-ons in Firefox quickly and easily. If you use Firefox every day, extensions can help you do so much more. From boosting productivity to managing tabs, blocking ads, or adding extra tools to your browser. And the best part is, once you know where to go, it only takes a few clicks. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. To get started, open Firefox and look at the top right corner of your browser. Click the menu button, which is the three-line icon. From here, you want to click Extensions and Themes. This is where Firefox keeps all of your browser add-ons and extensions in one place. Once the Add-ons Manager opens, click on Extensions. Now you'll see a search bar where you can search for any extension you want. For example, type Zoom into the search bar and press Enter. Firefox will show you matching results. Click on the extension you want from the list, then click Add to Firefox. A confirmation window will appear, and when you're ready, click Add. Firefox will then install the extension for you, and once it's done, it will appear in your extensions list. Now let's go over how to remove an extension. Go back to the menu, click Extensions and Themes again, and open the Extensions section. Find the extension you want to delete. On the right side of that extension, click the three dots menu. From the options that appear, click Remove. Firefox may ask you to confirm your choice, so go ahead and confirm the removal. The extension will then be deleted from your browser. If you do not want to remove an extension completely, but you want to stop it from running for now, you can disable it instead. To do that, go back to your extensions list and find the extension you want to turn off. Then simply disable the toggle next to the extension. When the toggle is off, the extension will no longer be active, but it will still remain installed in Firefox in case you want to use it again later. This is really useful if you want to test whether an extension is causing a problem, or if you only need it occasionally. So just to recap, you can add a new extension by searching for it and clicking Add to Firefox, remove one by using the three dots and selecting Remove, or disable one by turning off the toggle. That's how easy it is to manage browser extensions and add-ons in Firefox. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more simple step-by-step tutorials, just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.